My name is Installment and welcome to the second episode of Introduction to Ruby. In this episode I'd like to just briefly talk you through the options you've got when it comes to installing Ruby on your system. So if you're running Windows, you probably want to install it using the Ruby one-click installer. You can get that from here. And the way it works is you just download the one-click installer, just press download here, download the latest version. Okay, let's download it. And you just run it. It's a simple, standard Windows installer, and I don't think that you will have any problems with it. Okay, if you're running OS 10, you've probably got Ruby already installed in your system. The problem is that the version you've got installed if you're running Tiger is that it's old. It's Ruby 1.8.2. The latest version though is 1.8.6, and I've heard that the standard Ruby that comes with Tiger is a little broken. So I recommend that you use the Ruby one-click installer for OS 10 to install the latest version of Ruby and some other stuff that you'll need if you want to install Ruby on Rails later. So this is a really good option for you if you're running OS 10 Tiger. If you're running Linux, specifically Ubuntu, you probably just want to run this from a terminal. This will install Ruby, RubyDoc, and IRB, the Interactive Ruby Interpreter. And this is everything you need to get started with Ruby on Ubuntu. For other options, consider heading over to the official Ruby website, rubylang.org, and here you'll find, in the download section, you find some of the options you've got when it comes to installing Ruby. You could use the source code to build it yourself, and they've also linked the one-click installer here. On Linux, this is just what I showed you, and for OS 10 they've linked the one-click installer, and you could also use Magport or Thing to install it, but I think going with the one-click installer is the best option you've got there. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Try to install Ruby on your system, and in the next episode we're then going to actually start using Ruby.